Hey y'all, what's up? So let's get started. So I'm going in with my 91% alcohol. I'm just using that to clean my skin and the edge of the wig cap. The wig cap is placed directly in front of where my hairline begins. So any oils or anything from the hair, you just want to make sure that you clean that up so that the glue sticks well to the lace. Going in with the best product ever, my bowl hold lace cream. I'm just taking a little bit of that and applying it to the front of my forehead, and I'm using an old makeup brush just to smooth it out and make sure that it's a smooth, even application of glue. So now I'm just going in with my blow dryer on cool. This is just to help speed up the drying process to allow the glue to become tacky. As you can see, the glue changed from white to mostly clear. So when you see most of it's clear, you're ready to go. So now I'm just applying the wig using the ends of a fine-tooth comb. I'm just pressing down the lace into my skin and into the glue to make sure that everything is just falling seamlessly. And I'm just combing back, starting from the beginning of the lace towards the back of my head to make sure that no hairs are stuck underneath the lace and everything is smooth. So I'm just going to use the same steps that I used to apply the lace to the front of my head, to the sides of my head, until all of the lace around the perimeter of my head is secured. I preferably love gluing down my lace wigs. I don't have to, but because I have such a huge forehead, it's no problem with me trying to avoid my edges or pulling out any hair, which I have never read a review thus far with this product of ever having that problem. In a later video, I will show you how I remove my wigs using the Bold Hold Lace Cream Remover, but this is the easiest method for me. So now I'm just using a paddle brush to brush out the hair just to get it ready and prepped because I'm going to blow dry it and flat iron it soon. And then just going in with a regular silk scarf. I'm just going to tie down the perimeter of the lace just to help with the melting process. This step is totally optional, but I like to do it. So with my blow dryer on warm, I just run it through the hair a couple times, give it a few passes. As you can see, I have two different curl patterns in my head. My frontal is straight and the rest of my hair is body wave. So I just feel like this helps with the straightening process. It just makes it faster for me. So going in with my trusty dusty rat tail comb, I'm just going to part my hair to my liking and then pull the rest of the hair back because now it's time for baby hairs using my Got To Be gel and this cute brush that I don't know where my mother got it from, but I love it. It's a brush specifically made for your edges. I'm just taking a little bit of gel and creating small, fine baby hairs. I don't like overly dramatic baby hairs, but I feel like I just have to have some. It just does something for me. Not everyone likes them, so if you don't like them, you don't have to do them, but I feel like it helps me hide my lace better, especially if this wasn't a wig that I tinted to perfection or plucked to perfection. So baby hairs is my go-to cover-up method. So guys, I titled this video the easiest lace wig application because it really is. Before I edited this video, the video was only 20 minutes long, and now that I've edited it, it's 6 or 7 minutes, so it's literally a quick process. So instead of tying down my edges, I'm just going in with my blow dryer on cool and just running it over the hair a couple times just so it helps dry faster. So right now I'm just sectioning off my hair. I'm gonna do this to my entire head. So I'm gonna take my paddle brush and just brush out the hair first. And then I'm gonna give it a couple passes with my flat iron, which I believe is on 400. And I also use the comb method. I just believe the comb method gives me a better final result. It makes the hair smoother, and it also gets rid of any tangles in the hair that you may find as you go along. So now I'm all finished with this side. I'm just gonna run the paddle brush through it a couple times, make sure there's no snags, no tangles, and then I'm gonna go in on the other side and straighten that side of the hair as well. So now that both sides of my heads are done, now it's just the last final touches. And of course, that's doing the top of the frontal. Now with the old school hot comb, yes, the old one with the oven, I'm just gonna take the hot comb and give it a couple of passes through the top of the frontal. This helps flatten it. You can use the hot comb throughout the entire head, but I just use it for the top of my frontal to help it lay flatter. And y'all, we are finished. That is it. Quick, easy, and simple. This is how I install my lace wigs. Minus a couple steps like adding baby hairs or not adding baby hairs, whatever mood I'm in. But that's it. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, stay cute and stay blessed, y'all.